Today we're going to learn about speed word problem. Let's say we have a problem like this. The drawing below shows a circular track with a circumference of 400 meters. Andy and Bill started jogging together from point A and moved around the track in a clockwise direction at uniform speeds. Andy completed a full round in 50 seconds and Bill completed a full round in 40 seconds. A. How long would it take for Bill to overtake Andy for the first time? And B. How far was Andy behind after 40 seconds? Now, this is the circular track that has a circumference of 400 meters and they're moving in a clockwise direction. Now, let's first find the speeds of both Andy and Bill. So Andy's speed, as we know, is distance over time, which is the distance is 400 meters. And the time it takes for him to complete 400 meters is 50 seconds. So this is equal to 8 meters per second. Now, Bill's speed, B for Bill as for speed, is also equal to distance over time, which is the distance is 400 meters. The distance is 400 meters over the time it takes for him to complete 400 meters, which is 40 seconds. 400 divided by 40 is 10 meters per second. So Bill's speed is 10 meters per second. Now we need to find out how long it would take for Bill to overtake Andy for the first time. So let's first find the extra speed that Bill has. So the extra speed he has is 10 minus 8, which is equal to 2 meters per second. Now let's find out the extra distance he has to take over Andy for the first time. So to take over Andy for the first time, he has to travel 400 meters, or the whole track more than Andy. So 400 meters. So the time it takes for him to do that, as we know, is distance over speed, which is the distance of 400 over the speed of 2 meters per second, and we get 200 seconds. So the time it takes for Bill to overtake Andy for the first time is 200 seconds. So the answer to question A is 200 seconds. Now let's answer question B. How far was Andy behind after 40 seconds? So let's first find Bill's distance, B for Bill, D for distance, after 40 seconds. Now we know that Bill completed a full round in 40 seconds. So Bill's distance is 40 seconds. Now let's find Andy's distance after 40 seconds. Bill's distance is 400 meters after 40 seconds. Now let's find Andy's distance after 40 seconds. So Andy's distance, A for Andy, D for distance, is equal to, now we know that he travels at a speed of 8 meters per second. So 8, the time, times the speed, or 8 the speed times the time, which is 40 seconds, and you get 320 meters. So this means that Andy's distance after 40 seconds is 320 meters. So let's find the difference. The difference is equal to the difference in the distance. D for difference, D for in the distance, is equal to 400 meters minus 320 meters which is equal to 80 meters. So the answer to question B, which is how far was Andy behind after 40 seconds, is Andy was behind by 80 meters after 40 seconds. Meters. So, today we learned about speed word problem. Thank you for watching this video.